Greetings from Singapore. Today I'm at Istana open house. Go and check it out, man. Actually, there's a line dance right now, 4 p.m. So let's go. We're going in now. Nice police cars, by the way. Wow. You know, in my entire life as Singaporeans, I never entered Istana. I only got to take a look from the outside. So it's really amazing. So we are going in right now. There's a security check now. Alright, that security was a bit of trouble because I had 2 bottles of canned drink. So I need to exit again and come in. By exiting, I mean I finish the drink. So they're supposed to be a line dance, you know. We have 5 more minutes before the line dance ends. And I'm gonna walk up this slope. And this place looks like a bit like botanic gardens. You know, with all the grass and so on. I'm gonna run, man, to catch the line dance. Anyway, this place right today, they close at 6 p.m. open to members of public is really rare, man. The free entry for Singaporeans and PR. They're gonna pay $20 for foreigners as a foreigner. Some good and bad news, man. Bad news is I don't hear any dance anymore. But the good news is we gotta explore for another 90 minutes. 4:29 p.m. right now. The entrance gate a bit far, no? But I think this is because of the security, you know. Former president used to stay here, so he got to travel in a nice Porsche car. The drivers and the rest of us commoners have to walk, man. So today this event is called Istana Open House. Right here. There's even a food truck. And these are the performances right here. Face painting, balloon sculpting. Well, coming here, you got lots of fresh air, you know. There are many gardens, inclusive gardens, and people from different races coming and nationalities. And at the far side, right, there are actually a few couple of nice looking buildings, maybe houses. Cutting call this film, man, because at the other side doesn't seem to be anything besides walking. And it seems more fun here with lots of interesting buildings. Lucky today the weather is good, you know the grass will be wet. Well, today is also Sunday, 22nd February 2026, year of the horse. The 6th day of the Chinese New Year. I wish everyone once again Happy New Year. Good health, good wealth, and lots of luck. It's a nice showering and praying. It's kind of fun, right? Like the police driving the vehicle. And right now we are going in this building if they allow access to go up. It's a very like French liking. Very beautiful. It looks like the private house on the outside, you know. And those youths wearing the green uniforms are the scouts, you know. Now they double as a photographer. It's a nice view. Alright, I'm inside now. So for locals it's $2. For foreigners it's $10. I'm gonna grab my local. Summer exhibitions. Some nice horses. And then there's a dragon. No, there's a horse. Nice. Now we are going up staircase at Expo Mall. Okay, it's on the left side. Wow. There's a Singapore flag in the mall stuff. It looks like a museum now. Frameless copper eagle. There's a man running his life. Presented by President of Indonesia Iswando 2025. Bronze Astamang Gala presented by Nepal. You know Nepal. That's a Buddhist artifact. The presidential standard. You know the red flag, right? Has their meaning with the white crescent moon and the 5 stars. Red color means universal brotherhood, equality. Crescent represent the young country on the ascent, and the 5 stars represent democracy, peace, progress, justice, and equality. From within Istana from 8 to 6 p.m. when the president is in the country. Wow, that's more information. It's designed 1960, only used for president. And then the lion represents victory and glory. Alright, there's another room here. Let's explore. Sorry to say that it seems like a little museum here. Because all we see is a exhibit. But anyway, let's have a look. Outside you can see some of the crowd there. Oh, it looks like it's raining. It's going to rain soon. The volcano glow figurehead. Golden replica. Chong Cheo King Tungnankhamun. Rain can soak the leopard skin but it doesn't wash out its pores. And that's super bright. Presented by the president. Prime Minister Hun Manet of Cambodia back in 2024. The framed golden horse painting presented by Vice Premier Li Nanqing in China back in 2002. Oh, look at all this red carpet. Poseidon horse sculpture presented by Prime Minister Hungary. There's one more here. Cast iron horseman. So look like some of the, there's some movies making the films about these people, right? And there's a bird sculpture right here. President Uzbekistan. Well, right here with the coffee and tea set. Oh, interesting. I think the aunties will love it. Wow, wow, nice CNY decoration. 新年快乐，年年乐。Wow, all this. Wow, look at this Spanish cradle. But there's no ice. Bronze incense burner. Copper brick. Wow. Alright, there's another mini room here. Oh. Kuntao decorative painting by Tajikistan. I never knew of this country, man. Here is. What's this, man? Waka Hula feather box. Presented by New Zealand. You know here. Wow. I saw a tortoise, man. Green pen shell turtle presented by Philippines. Nepal. So initially when I paid the fee, right, I didn't know what to expect. So I come here, it's like, not bad, a lot of artifacts, but it's not like something I really expected, because I thought it's like, here come history about the Istana, but what I saw instead was lots of artifacts right here. Items like in a museum. What's this, man? Silver trinket box. tree or live sculpture. You know, Singapore trees are very tall. And we have a jade tree here. Wow. Presented by Myanmar. Myanmar has lots of interesting stuff. There's a white flower, man. They call it a rose sculpture. Presented by Luxembourg. I think it's somewhere in Germany. Miniature temple of literature from Vietnam. Wow. And there's another one over opposite. Lao Tian musical instrument. Presented by Laos. It doesn't look like a musical instrument in the first place. I thought it's some kind of gun machine. I mean weapon. There's one more here. The silver metal threaded board artwork. Presented by Indonesia. You know, it has been a long time since I walked this kind of staircase. The last time was in Vietnam. Like the presidential palace at Saigon, a similar kind of staircase. Most business, man. The wooden sculptures from Timor-Leste. Obsidian vase. Metal work of a Buddhist temple. Wow, what we have here? Wood carved gold. From Indonesia. Earthenware plate. Barbados. Never heard of this country, man. Wow, let's see how it feels to walk here. Well, not bad, because in the typical garden or park of HDB, you don't get to walk through this kind of like vines. The scout having a hard time. They double a photographer as well as like a tour guide. I mean, as in like they have to guide the people around. I think they have a more tougher job than the police. Man, the police just stand there. I saw this nice gun terrace, black blue color. I can't go in. Anyway, let's focus. There's another building here. There are lots of policemen stationed at every single exit. I mean, it's good for the security or something. But then tonight maybe dream of policemen. There's even a first aid center here. But yeah, it's a nice building, Military guard room. But I don't think you can get in. There's nothing. Oh, there's two small cannons. Fountain, maybe pond and main building. Is there a fountain here? I think I was coming some kind of event, so I saw a fountain in it. But I was expecting an outdoor fountain, not the indoor one. So anyway, let's try it. Let's go. Wow, this aircon, face and body painting. This is balloon place. Nice fountain. Beautifully decorated, surrounded by the flowers. Here the food truck session, Old Changi. But it's surprising nobody take order, no staff. And there's a Singapore's first Taiwanese food truck. Same thing, no waiter and waitress, no staff. And finally, we Swenson, the only option now with the ice cream and some fries right here. Look at that. Nice, here's the menu. So you can choose fries, water, ice cream, single scoop, double scoop. Here the food truck section, Old Changi. But it's surprising nobody take order, no staff. And there's a Singapore's first Taiwanese food truck. Same thing, no waiter and waitress, no staff. And finally, we Swenson, the only option now with the ice cream and some fries right here. Look at that. Here's the menu. So you can choose fries, water, ice cream, single scoop, double scoop. The police finish ice cream very fast. Within 2 minutes they finish. So I'm going to explore the Lily Pond right now. I'm going down the stairs. The time now 5:40 p.m. We're supposed to close at 6. But I think the highlight was the villa so far. I wonder where's the pond. Is it very steep down? Let's find out. So you can see the Lily Pond from here. I didn't do a damn concert going down, because going down you get almost the same here and come up again. It was nice little trip today. Coming Istana open house 2026. I'm not sure when the next time they open, maybe a few years later. But I only found out of this area, this event only today afternoon. So I rushed down and know of the news. And I'm actually going to see a dance at Amoku Hub, man. So stay tuned to my channel. Hope you guys have a good time, enjoyable time watching this video. And then happy Chinese New Year once again. Wishing them peace, wealth, happiness, and good luck. So I'm walking out here now. It's almost 6 p.m. I think I spent almost 1 hour and a half here. And look at the guts one more time.